Hey everybody, so I am here in my pumpkin patch. We've already harvested about 28 of these Seminole pumpkin squash. So I have come in to harvest the rest. Now this is a variety, this is my first time growing this variety. It is delicious. Like I said, we've already harvested like 28 of them. I said 28 pumpkins we've already got. All the ones that I need to harvest now. And all this came from, there's only three starts that I planted here, like 3 baby plants is all I put in. And you can see that I'm easily gonna get probably closer to 40 pumpkins. So those are 8 that I've harvested already. I can still see there's one hanging up there. And I need to dig through the pumpkin patch to find the rest of them. There are 2 more little ones. Here's another one. Gorgeous. All right, and there's plenty more here I can see. And I know I get messages sometimes from people like, aren't you afraid of snakes? I'm not really afraid of them, but I am definitely looking for them. 2, 4, 6, 8, that's 8 more, my goodness. And I'm glad I was able to let these ripen on the vine, because I can see when I cut, a lot of the stems are already turning brown or are already super dry and brittle brown. So that's an even better indication that I'm not pulling them off too early. Oh, this is a big one. Needless to say, we will definitely be growing this variety again, and I can clearly see why so many people in our area grow this. You just gotta definitely give it space. That's a cute one. Slightly more flat shape. Whew, these guys weigh a good, I don't know, maybe this big one weighs at least 7 pounds for sure. The smaller one's maybe 5. This one is maybe 7 or 8 pounds. We got a lot of pumpkins here, y'all. But I love squash, so that's not a problem. So here are the ones I just cut. Just gonna roll them to this side of that trellis. Whew, there's a lot. I'm gonna need to grab a cart. There's no way I can carry these. So here's one. This one has some holes in it, so let me show you what they look like. So this one looks like it popped off the vine. You can see an earwig and some ants there. But these holes are worms. You can see all of them. So we'll just toss this one to the chickens. Here's one. And this one has wormholes. Whoa. I can tell. Yep, they got into this one. So another one for the chickens. I'm gonna grab the last ones that I had cut here and put them in my wagon and then we'll do a count and see what we got. All right, so I just gave them a quick count. We have 24 in here that are good, and then 25 and 26 that have holes in them that I'm going to feed to the chickens. So total harvest today, 26. I still see a few in the patch that are green, and they're not even turning orange yet. So we're going to let those go on the vine. But 24 Seminole pumpkin squash, and they don't all look the same, right? Because sometimes you can get crosses, and I believe the seeds that I planted were from somebody in our area who saved them, and we have these like seed library meetings where people can share and spread their seeds, and so that's where I got these guys from 3 years ago. So I was glad to see that the seeds were still viable and that they're still super prolific, even though they're different variations, different shape, okay? But all in all, a great crop to grow, especially if you have a lot of mouths to feed.